Meet the Kawasaki Z900RS SE, a modern masterpiece that blends cutting-edge technology with timeless classic style. Quite a few manufacturers were stumbling over themselves at the end of the last decade trying to come out with a modern retro version of an iconic model from their past. But none of them really nailed the concept like Kawasaki did with its Z900RS. A proper homage to the firm's inimitable 1973 Z1, the Z900RS does away with the Z900S angled bodywork and replaces it with a full one-piece seat, teardrop-style fuel tank, notable in that the RS frame is slightly different to accommodate the shape of the fuel tank, round analog-style gauges, etc. Kawasaki also raised the front of the RS and lowered the rear a tad along with different triple clamps compared to the standard Z900. The Cafe also gets a humped seat that follows the styling trends from back then, a little taller than the RS seat at 32.3 inches, as well as a black handlebar with lower rise and a more swept-back bend to better complement the bikini fairing. The Cafe's 4x1 exhaust is finished in a nice brushed aluminum look. The RS is chrome. Both bikes come with a 41mm inverted fork with 4.7 inches of travel, and adjustability for spring preload, rebound, and compression damping. A horizontally mounted backlink shock strokes through 5.5 inches of travel with adjustability for spring preload and rebound damping. Nicely styled cast aluminum wheels sport Dunlop GPR-300 rubber in 120/70-17 and 180/55-17 sizes, with braking hardware consisting of dual 300mm discs clamped by a set of radial-mount four-piston calipers up front, with a single 250mm disc/single-piston caliper combo out back. Kawasaki then went even further in 2022 with the Z900RS SE that outfits the RS with an Öhlins S46 rear shock with remote preload adjuster, Brembo M 4.32 calipers, gold-colored wheels and upper fork tubes, and a distinctive yellow ball paint scheme that goes back to a rare yellow sunburst paint release in Europe from the 70s. Whichever Z900RS model you choose, you're sure to get all the great styling from the original Z1 with modern-day performance.